Once again, welcome everyone. So today we'll discuss about standard deviation. So in class 10 and 11, we need to read standard deviation, isn't it? So why we need standard deviation? Before this, we had studied about mean deviation also. In case of mean deviation, the unsatisfactory results has comes out through the mean deviation. So to correct or to resolve on satisfactory results from mean deviation, we need a standard deviation. So what is standard deviation? The positive square root of the arithmetic mean of the square of deviation of given data from their arithmetic mean. This is standard deviation. So the positive square root of the arithmetic mean of the square of deviation of given data from their arithmetic mean is basically a standard deviation. So it is denoted by a Greek letter sigma. Okay, so it is basically denoted by a Greek letter that is sigma. जुन हामीले mean deviation मा mean लाई use गरिकन deviation calculate गरेको थियो, त्यो deviation को square गरेर हामीले root निकाल्यो भने चाहिँ के पाउँछौं? Standard deviation. So generally it is written as sigma is equals to square root of summation of deviation of square and whole divided by n, where is the deviations from mean. And what is n here? N is basically the number of observation. Number of observation. Okay, so yes, number of observation भयो. यसलाई हामी सिग्मा चाहिँ standard deviation. So next is variation. अर्को चाहिँ हामीले के पढ्नु पर्छ? Variation. Variance. अब हामीले पढ्छ variance. Variance simply square of standard deviation Variance is nothing, it is a square of standard deviation. That means variance is equals to sigma square. Next, coefficient of standard deviation sigma, coefficient of variance. हामीले यो दुईटालाई पढ्नु पर्यो. कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनलाई हामी कसरी डिनोट गर्छ भन्दाखेरि इट इज कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन इज इक्वल्स टु स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन बाई mean or sigma by x bar. Mean coefficient of variation coefficient of variation. यो फर्मुलाले हामीलाई कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन फाइन्ड गर्न हेल्प गर्छ अनि यो फर्मुलाले कोएफिसिएन्ट अफ भेरिएसन फाइन्ड गर्न हेल्प गर्छ. नेक्स्ट इज नोट. If the magnitude of standard deviation is greater so that is the degree of scatteredness is more. If standard deviation has a greater value, यदि standard deviation को चाहिँ ज्यादा भ्यालु आयो भने हामीले के बुझ्नु पर्यो, स्क्याटर्ड चाहिँ ज्यादा छ, स्क्याटर्ड स्प्रेड आउट ज्यादा भएको छ और भेरिएसन ज्यादा छ भनेर बुझ्नु पर्यो. सेकेन्ड नोट, if the standard deviation is smaller, that is the degree scatteredness is lesser. If यदि standard deviation is smaller values, data is less spread out. So these are the formulas to find out the SD, standard deviation, in different series. Individual series has this formula. यो फर्मुला छ. इन्डिभिजुअल सिरिज दिएको छ भने इन्डिभिजुअल सिरिजमा डेटा दिएको छ भने यो फर्मुला लगाउनु. यदि भरिमा कुनै एउटा याद गर्दा हुन्छ. ओके, सो x माइनस mean whole square, this is whole square, यो deviation हो हैन, d square deviation. So discrete series को यो फर्मुला छ, यति तीनटा फर्मुलामा कुनै एउटा याद गर्दा भइहाल्यो. अनि यो continuous series मा यो तीनटा फर्मुला छ, यसमा एउटा याद गर्दा भइहाल्यो.